Welcome back to the channel, guys. We have a 2019 F550 with 31,000 miles. I can't really show too much of the truck here. It's all stickered up and labeled with "and." The check engine light was on for these DTCs. We got misfire on cylinder 8, a random misfire on cylinder number 3, misfire on cylinder number 5, cylinder number 2, crank circuit concern, and what's the definition of this one? Hold on. That definition is injector high side short to ground or VBAD. Okay, this is a work truck, obviously, and it is being used as so, and we do have a little bit of time on it for mileage wise, and I wanted to show you guys what I found. If anybody's had to take a new model 6.7 apart, all these clamps were 8 millis, now they're 7 millis. So go ahead and take that off. We got a couple of clips here. We got a mass airflow sensor connector, and trim clip goes into the side of the box. Go ahead and pop our lid on. Best one out there, man, right there. Number 1. Definitely gonna be needing an air filter. We had a couple of 8 millis right there holding that on. And it is a little tough to pull out. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, gotta use 2 hands. Okay, get it out, loose. Alright, now to the problem area. I want to show you guys an issue that we have right here. Look at that. Got a little chafe going on. We got some of the twangs definitely in the location where they're supposed to be. It looks like just the harness is too rigid and just kind of morphed itself over to the side of the EGR cooler. So we got a couple trim clips we got to take off to dislocate it from the PCM little thingy that goes around it, little bracket, and we're going to flip the connector over and see said circuits. Okay, got the PCM harness flipped over, and you guys can see we got 1, 2, 3 circuits that look like they have chafed on the side of the EGR cooler. Let's take a closer look, shall we? Okay, we're gonna tear into this. I wanna show you guys a tool. If anybody does heavy electronic repairs and diagnosis on harnesses and so forth, I would advise you guys to get this little tool. This is how you cut the harness open safely. Let's see if I can see a part number here for you. The part number, can you guys see this? Right there, SGTT4A. So let's get to work here. Let's see this harness. Okay. We're going to kind of, as I remember in science class, dissecting a worm. Oh, I think I'm caught on a wire here. Okay. Gave it a little slit right there. Let's peel it back. Let's go this way. Try not to skewer yourself. Red ball floats on top of the wires. Okay, that was a good cut. And it just rolled away. Alright. Let's peel this carcass back. Let's see what we got. Let's see what circuits we got. Okay, I see 3 for sure. Let me make a little cut right here. Go towards the front of the vehicle. I need a little more slack in here. Okay. Alright. Got some twisted pairs. Having a hankering that's probably going to our injectors. There it is, right there. We got, looks like a purple with a green with a purple, a green with a blue, a green with a white. We got a brown with a violet. So we got about 5 wires we're gonna have to repair. I can see it. I don't know if you guys can. It's gonna be kind of tough. Right here I'm scraping metal. I can see bare copper. I can feel I'm scratching rubber right here, and then as I move over I can feel it turn to metal. There's definitely, I don't know if you guys can see it or not. You see the shiny? Can you guys see that? But anywho, this is where I wanted to show you. This is the trouble spot that I found. I just wanted to share with you guys in case, you know, you guys got some mileage on your truck and you're stranded. If you guys could move this away from the shorting out piece of metal, I would say you'd be a-okay to go. So tell me what you think in the comment section below, and don't forget to, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.